I'm asked to simplify now. Once I see an I, I'm going to take my calculator and just hit mode. And then 2. Mode 2. Notice we'll turn it into complex mode. Mode 2. And you can see it misspelled at the top. Complex at the top of the calculator. Once I'm in mode 2, all I'm going to do is type this in exactly like it looks. I'm going to hit the parentheses button. Notice the parentheses button. Then the 7 minus 5. Now I have to find the I. The I is just above the 8, which is the English button. There's a little I there. So I hit the English button, 5I. Then I close parentheses. I open parentheses. Negative, not minus, that's negative 2, minus 3. And then I go back and hit the I button, the English button. Close parentheses. It will FOIL it out for you. You hit equals, and it does all the arithmetic for you. So that's going to be negative 29 minus 11I. Negative 29 minus 11I. Pretty convenient. Now, I don't have to change the mode to deal with the radicals. I can leave it in complex mode, but I'm going to type it in just like it looks. Parentheses, 7 minus, whoops. Parentheses, 7 minus 5 root 2. 5 square root 2. Now this is important. You want to hit the right arrow button to get it out from underneath that radical. Then close the parentheses. Open the parentheses. 3 plus square root 2. Again, you have the right arrow to get it out from underneath the radical. Close the parentheses, and yes, it will do that radical arithmetic for you. So then the answer is just going to be a basic. 11 minus 8 root 2. Now I'm asked to solve for x. In order to solve for x, I have to get it by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by what's near x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3 minus 2i. So I divide the 5 by 3 minus 2i. And notice, these cancel out. They simplify. So x equals 5 over 3 minus 2i. So what I'm going to do now, I'm in complex mode. I'm going to hit that fraction bar right there, that fraction bar, and that's going to give me the fraction. Then I'm going to type in this imaginary fraction just like it looks. I'm going to put the 5 on top. Then I'm going to down arrow. And then I'm going to put 3 minus 2. Don't forget the English button. The English button is the I button, 3 minus 2i, and then I just hit equals, and it will simplify it for me. Now, some people say simplify, but it's not more simple than that. What it actually did is it rationalized that imaginary number in the bottom. So the answer is going to be 15 over 13 plus 10 over 13i. I'm asked to simplify this one. All I'm going to do is type it in, 5 over 3 plus 2i. There's a little trick. I'm in complex mode. All I have to do is change that minus sign to a plus, so you can back arrow into the problem. Go back, hit delete, and change that to a positive. Hit equals, and notice it changes the answer ever so slightly. The new answer is now 15 over 13 minus 10 over 13i.